guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel for another little makeup haul. It's gonna be like half makeup haul and half little clothing haul because I only have a few makeup like stuff, and I also have a few clothes as well that I want to show you guys. And in case you're wondering, yes, I did cut my hair like really short. I was trying to give myself a trim, but I kept on messing up because I wasn't using the right scissors, and now I have a haircut that, I don't know, I said it looks like Alice Cullen from Twilight, or at least maybe Nancy Downs from The Craft. And also, I did get my natural hair color back by using the Garnier Nutrice hair dye that I featured, the number 70 dark natural blonde. And unfortunately, I did not wait enough time for the demi-permanent side on this like to wash out completely. So it's I kind of have a little weird half of my natural hair color and this weird brown right here. But as long as grows out at all, I'm gonna like cut it the brown part off. So anyways, let's get right into the video. So the first place I went to was Kohls, and I got two Lorac lookbook gift like sets. So that's what they look like. I got it's called the Luxe lookbook, and I got one in satin and cashmere. And I haven't used these yet, but I already liking it because I feel like satin's more of like a day look, and cashmere could be a night look. And when I first opened this up, the cream eyeshadow came in the set was kind of loose, like the entire cream shadow popped out, and all the eyeshadows that were in his kit as well, they were all broken, and I was like, because obviously my dad spent like so much money on these, even though they're on clearance, but he got a couple shirts up there. But luckily, I actually went on YouTube to see if there was any possible way on like fixing these, and there were. I used I think they said like using like a rubbing alcohol or something like that, and just a bunch of other steps and all. If you guys know what I'm talking about, then yeah. So I was able to fix the eyeshadow palette along with the cream eyeshadow. Not only did it come with these two, but it also came with a mascara duo, which you have a mascara on one side and also a lash primer on the other side. And the same thing goes for the cashmere as well. I also went up to Burlington as well. I got a couple things up there. And I got the other L'Oreal concealer palette. This is the color correcting one. Use this like orangey color right here for dark circles, yellow for combating discoloration, the green's obviously for redness, and purple is brightening dullness. And I'm reading what they say and do on the back of the palette. And I also got what I believe and hoping this tanning lotion. I don't know, I'm a little scared to try this out because I don't know if this is gonna be a little too dark for my skin compared to this one, my Jergens right here that I'm currently using for fair to medium skin tones. Okay, as for the clothes, it's from Ross. Like the first time I went up there for this week at a different location, I got this kind of ripped a little denim skirt right here, which glad I got this because I barely have any skirts, and I know some people think jean skirts are old school, but I honestly do not even care. I'm actually planning on, even though my hair is really short right now, once like I kind of like grow it out more, I might be, actually I am I might use this for my Alison Dilaurentis makeup look from the flashback scenes. There's that. And also I at another Ross at a different location, I got this black t-shirt right here that says Faith, and it has red flowers all over it. I just love it. That has that punk, I don't know, like some kind of punk rock vibe on the shirt, because I'm thinking like just the design and the red flowers and all kind of gives me that rock star rock band vibe. I also got another shirt that says Faith as well, but this time it's white and it's all over the shirt and it's pink. I thought that was really different. And the last shirt I got was this red shirt. It has Winnie the Pooh on it. I love Winnie the Pooh. And I was actually planning on doing a Winnie the Pooh inspired look by just getting a plain old red t-shirt and cutting it into a crop top, because I have a yellow tank top I thought would be perfect and all, but I don't have like yellow jeans or anything like that. And now I'm thinking I might wear this t-shirt if I ever do. So if you want me to do like a Winnie the Pooh inspired look, let me know in the comments. So that is it for my little mini makeup haul slash clothing haul. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any summery inspired looks you want to do. I know I said I was going to do the Alison Dilaurentis flashback scene makeup look, but now that my hair is short, I guess that's kind of off the table. But I will plan on doing makeup tutorials next week. More like summery, fun inspired, like maybe the Winnie the Pooh look, and maybe some kind of summer fun look, and even a waterproof makeup look. And 4th of July is just around the corner, so I can do like an updated 4th of July look that I did a few years back. And also let me know in the comments if you think I should do either Alice Cullen from Twilight or Nancy Downs from the Craft of Makeup look, since my hair is somewhat close or exact length as theirs. So until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!